Hi, we are showing the how to the vacuum home hamburger set pop with the aluminum mold. So in this application, you are able to change the design a bit for like a pricing of the sign and the gradation of the sign. Also, different taste, the flavor of ice cream and drinks. So this is the better thing, digital printing. So now I am molding the vacuum forming sample, which was printed on the half millimeter of PET. So we set the template on the center of the reducing window. So the reducing window we're using now is the size of 315 millimeter for square, all right, and top side too. Now for molding, we need to make sure that the which not the other side of the printing, there is a protection film on material, so it needs to be peeled off before the molding. Right after that, just following to the registration mark briefly to set the actual the position between the molding plate and the print. Right after you make sure the four corners for the molding plate, a little bit this side. So when printing, it is the useful if you put the fine cut crop mark, so actually where you want the mold to be located. And after you make sure the position, and you lift down bring down the lever for the molding, and then you clamp the sheet. Sheet is clamped with the bottom plate and the top plate as well. All right, so you go back to this operation window here, and then you pull the heater and wait for 30 seconds. So during the 30 seconds, you can actually see what is happening on the surface of the material. It actually is heating up, and it's expanding against to the middle. So after you see center of the film is actually bringing down a little bit, so this is a sign to that you can start the vacuum forming. So push the heater, press the button like this. Right, so you can actually see that it's a vacuum forming. Right, after you see the forming stops, you can press the button for stopping compressor, and hold the button for the blowing. So you can actually bring up and separate the mold and printed film. Then you can remove what you have printed. So this is how you see vacuum forming, which was printed by LUS 350 UV ink, available from Mimaki. I thank you very much.